Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to actually get the title like Media Project or CV in HTML and CSS onto another page without having to press enter on the keyboard so many times. So this is what we do. We go to page layout, and then we can go into breaks. Before we do that, we want to get into a title like CV in HTML and CSS. So we click before, we click at the beginning of the line, press breaks. Then we go to where it says next page. We click on next page. And there you have it. Let's go over another one again. So this is Media Project. We click just before the capital M. We go into breaks again. Then we press next page. And there you have it. That is how make the title go to the next page without pressing enter so many times.